I'm Kirkwood with the Living Spokane, North Idaho team. Today we're featuring one of our new listings, Big Rancher here in South Woodbridge. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Square foot wise, just coming under 2,000 square feet, which is bigger than most of the ranchers in this price point. Most of them were in that 12 to 1,700. So again, 4 big bedrooms. But what's unique about this one is the location. It butts right up to this half-acre park here in Woodbridge South. So, and it's got a gate here from the backyard for access. So you got the private backyard, but if you're looking for some more space to play wiffle ball, volleyball with your family, just hop through the gate and right here. So no house behind you. Again, a good one if you're looking for more privacy. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Let's sit down, have a no pressure talk on how we can help you get your real estate goals met. In the meantime, we're going to get to the tour right now.